Aloha, and you're hired. Let me explain. My name is Rick Kirkham. I'm an in-home computer, tablet, cell phone tutor, virus removal specialist, and repair specialist here in Honolulu, Hawaii, covering all of Oahu. And I will give you a $20 bill for sending me new business. So for each person that you send me, they hire me to help them with their computer or tablet or cell phone, I will give you a $20 bill. So right now, this is easy enough to do this for Oahu residents. I'll even drive right to your house and hand you a $20 bill. Basically, when I get paid, you get paid. Is there a limit to how many $20 bills I'm willing to give you? No, because then I get more business and I can help more people. Google me if you want to. I am one of the best computer tutors and virus removal specialists on the island. If people notice anything unusual about their computer, a new search engine, there's a couple of search engine viruses out there now, changing your home page, anything like that, you should have them get a hold of me. I've got some business cards for you, and I'll try and create the link for that. And that's about it. So right now, for right now, if you're on Oahu, just print out some business cards, hand them out to people. It's got room for your email address on it. Only you have that email address, so that's how I can get a hold of you if you refer someone to me. Anyway, it's that simple. I get more business. I get to help more people. You get paid for that. No brainer. And if you have any questions, send me an email, call or text me. Once again, this is for right now, Oahu residents. And God bless you guys. I look forward to helping your friends, your family, your relatives, and even you with your computer challenges. Aloha.